opposite of subtraction. Okay, they're complete opposites. Okay, and when you're doing subtraction, you can think about addition to answer your problems. Okay, for example, I'll give you an example. If 2 plus 2 equals 4, and we know that's easy peasy. Okay, then you know that 4 minus 2 equals 2. Very good. Okay. It's just the other part. Remember our part whole that we did when we added? Okay? It's just figuring out what that other part is. Alright? That's one way that you can subtract. The other way that you can subtract is using our what?
Fingers.
Our fingers. Okay? And we can do it 2 different ways. Whichever way is easiest for you. Alright? So look up here. We have 8 minus 5. What is this, boys and girls?
8 minus 5.
Okay, so we have to figure out what that is. Alright, so let's try it on our fingers. We can start with 8, and we can go back how many? 5, because subtraction means we go back or we take away. Okay? So we're going to put 8 in our head, and we're going to go back 5 times. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And it's what we say. What did we say?
3.
So 3 is our answer. Okay? Now, we can also do it another way that might be easier for some of you. And that is to find the difference between 8 and 5. So when we do that, we start with 5 and we go to 8. So basically all you're doing is counting up. You're going from 5 to 8. So let's do that. We're going to put 5 in our head, and we're going to stop when we get to 8. Is everybody ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This time, the answer is going to be what's on our fingers. So what's my answer on my fingers? 3. So you can see we still get the same answer. It's just different ways to do it. Okay? Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay? Let's do this one. Read this problem for me. Ready?
10 minus 5.
Okay? So, I'm sure some of you already know the answer because you're thinking of an addition fact, right? Okay? You should be. But if you didn't, then let's start using our fingers. Okay? So look up here. We're going to start with 10. And we're going to go back, because remember, minus means we go back or we take away. And we're going to take away how many? 5. Or go back 5. So let's do that. We're going to start with 10. And we're going to go back 5. Everybody ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What did I say?
5.
So the answer is 5. Okay? Now let's do it the other way, okay? That's the one where we count up from the small number to find the difference between 10 and 5, okay? So we're going to start with 5, and we're going to stop when we get to what?
10.
10. Ready? We're going to put 5 in our head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at your fingers. And what's the answer, boys and girls? 5. Okay? So you still get the same thing. It's just a different way to go about doing it. Okay?